Hello, this is Earl Agustin. Get to know me off stage. First question. What's your go-to karaoke song? Your Man by Josh Turner. What's your favorite song to perform live? Yung bago kong single, Pag-ibig ng Ikaw at Ako. Early afternoon gig or late night gig? Siguro sa ngayon, afternoon gig. Masaya ata yung afternoon gig kasi uuwi pa akong Laguna. Hirap kasing sakay. What's your favorite meal after a performance? Ooh, sisig. Yeah, always sisig after performance. What's a hobby most people don't know you have? Siguro by now alam nila, pero yung pagtatattoo. I like tattooing. So before kasi ako nag-music, I used to tattoo in college. For most of my life, mas inclined ako to visual arts more than music. So ayun yung pinaka-hobby ko talaga. Would you rather play a gig in the rain or in the sweltering heat? Feeling ko gig in the rain kasi I feel like it's more cinematic. I think mas pipiliin ko din yung maulan siguro, especially for people na nanonood kaysa sa yung maiinitan sila, which might cause parang health problems din sa iba. What's a useless superpower you want to have? Useless ba yung makapag-walk through walls? Kasi wala lang, para pag may bumangga sa akin, tatagos lang sila. Parang ganun. Like, hindi siya specific lang to walls. Ayun. Basta may accidentally mabangga ako or something. Name 3 must-haves when playing at a gig. 3 must-haves, tolak angin, warm water, towel kasi sobrang pawisin ko during gigs. 5 a.m. call time or 1 a.m. gig? 5 a.m. call time. Mas prefer ko siya kaysa sa... Ay, hindi. 1 a.m. gig pala, sorry. Mas prefer ko yung late na gig kaysa sa super early na call time. Kasi... mahirap yung travel kasi for me. Mas accessible sa akin yung umuwi ng super late kaysa sa bumiyahe to wherever ng maaga. Hi, this is Earl Agustin. Watch my full interview on Rappler.